Hi, I'm Lorna from wearablyweird.com, and in this video I'll be showing you a super easy way to bar lace your Converse. Now, bar lacing might look a little bit tricky at first, but I promise it's way easier than it looks, and if you make sure you watch all the steps in this video, you can't go wrong. So the first tip I have for you, before you start lacing, take a pair of socks and put them down inside your Converse. What this will do is push up the sneaker tongue so you can get nice even bar laces all the way up and not small ones at the top and large ones at the bottom. Then take your lace and feed it down into the two bottom eyelets. And make sure you're taking the lace and going down into the bottom eyelets and not up from underneath, as we want all of our bars to be nice and crisp. Then take the laces and pull them up to make sure they're both the right length. Mine definitely aren't, so I'm just going to adjust that now. Making sure they're even is super important. And when they're nice and even, put one to the side out of the way and take this one, and you want to feed it underneath and up through this eyelet here. Like that, so it creates a little step. Then you want to take this lace over, make sure there are no creases in it and it looks nice and crisp. And you want to bring it over into this eyelet here to create our second bar. Then pop this lace out the way, take this little guy here, feed it underneath the second bar we've created there, open this up and into the next eyelet up on this side. And then you want to take it over and into the eyelet on this side. Make sure there's no creases. So at this point, I like to make sure all of my bars are looking nice and even and evenly spread. And then you're next going to take this lace underneath this guy here and up into the eyelet on this side. Bring it over and into this one. Again, making sure there's no creases. And he's looking nice and even with these guys here. Then take this lace underneath him, same as before, up into this eyelet and over. Like that. Then take this guy underneath, into the eyelet, bring the lace over, and leave him there for a moment. Then take this lace underneath, up into the top eyelet on this side, and over into the other top eyelet here. Making sure we're looking nice and crisp. At this point, I like to pull the Converse a little bit to make sure all of my bars are nice and even and good looking. Then you want to take this lace and put him underneath the sneaker collar, and this lace, feed it under here, and again underneath the sneaker tongue. Then to finish off the look, pull the two laces tight and knot them. Quick message before we continue. If you're looking to try some different awesome ways to lace your Converse, I have a huge blog post linked in the description for you where I'll cover these 9 lacing techniques. So if you like the look of any of those, make sure to check it out. And bring that knot down underneath the sneaker tongue and tuck the laces in. This makes it so that you can easily just slip on your sneakers when they're bar laced like this, and the knot is hidden. Then you just want to adjust all the bar laces to make sure they're looking good. Bring in the one you did earlier, sit them next to each other, make sure they're looking nice and even. And there you have it, you've bar laced your Converse.